Hey guys, my name is 100 Pony Gaming, and today we're going to play some Tifany Mayumi's Revenge. 200 killion visits. Congratulations. Or is it 1 million in visits? Congratulations. Finally, I can pronounce it well. So let's get started then. Yay! Oh my goodness! Okay. Okay. Hello, Tifany Mayumi. What the heck? Yo Tingle. Oh. See a light bulb. Amigos. Friends. Who is this? Minion? Next. Oh no, Flamingo! And I don't know who's that. Me. I'm a YouTuber too. I count as... I saw Tifany Mayumi, guys. Hi, Tifany Mayumi. Turn around.
Hello, amigo. This is and you should buy this product. Also, I recommend subscribing to Alora's on YouTube.
And I was the target. How stupid is this? Duh, and 1 million likes for part 2. Part 2 is already there. Okay, I think we should leave the game. Well, that was a quick game. And, yeah. I have a feeling that Tifany Mayumi's head is white. I wonder why. Okay, Okay, thank you guys for so much for watching. Please like and subscribe, and bye. Yay!